Hello to another episode of In Search of Breakaway.
Yes, we are now in the whole fucking place.
Very hard to walk here. This is one wolf fucking. Wolf fucking. And Bosnian that means Ukajebina. That means wolf fuck. Okay, I should tell that. And how you can see this is one nice wood. And there are some...
You see, Drekavac.
Look, see, shut up, there's something screaming. Some motherfuckers are following us.
There's the end of our...
There is a blaster. A mud.
See this, man. Yes. Drekavac. It seems that the Drekavac have a shower here. But we don't see her. How? Let's go to see where is young Drekavac. When father is have a shower and mother go to the Lagunic, what young Drekavac doing?
And on English that means go to, how do you say, pitka materna? Vagina materna.
Pussy mother.
Yeah, pussy mother. Walk up. Go to food mother. Or PS. Vidi, na engleskom nasi PM.
Yes.
Koji u nas je pitka materna PM, u vas je pussy mother PM. Wow, this is very hard. Ooh, I fell down.
Yeah, it's a fucking
My
place.
hand, they're not